Are you looking for an AI tool that can generate these high quality presentations for your business meetings? Well, here's the tool for you. This entire presentation with all the images, titles, charts, components, every little detail that we have. You can see that there's a detailed chart here as well. More images, then we have another graph, key takeaways, CTA, everything like that. Everything is generated using AI. I haven't not touched anything here. So what I've done is actually I went over to a tool called Manus. Manus is this amazing tool that probably can do a lot of different tasks. It's not ChatGPT, it's not Gemini. Manus is on a very different level. So I'm using Manus, and you can also use Manus by clicking on the link in the description where you will find the referral link, which will get you 1500 extra credits and 300 daily credits just by clicking on the referral link. So it's beneficial for you only. When you do that, you can simply create a chat here, and what I've done is I wanted to create a presentation on how AI automation trend has been picking up, and what it will happen in the future and things like that. So I want to have a conversation with my team, and I wanted to create a presentation over it. So I asked Manus to do it. I want Manus to follow my ideas rather than creating everything on its own. So I added a prompt, let's have a conversation to understand what we should have in the PPT. So it asked me a few questions. What should be the target audience, this is the plan of action that it will do. And then it asked me these questions: target audience, presentation context, time allocation, things like that. And it gave me an MCQ questions. So I picked one MCQ question, and then it asked me again the same questions. I answered those questions that I want to make my team understand what the context is. I want 8 slides. We can talk about how the domain is growing. I want to showcase numbers, revenues, things like that. When I did that, it showcased a lot of images to me. And of course, first it gave me the entire plan of action for 8 slides. Then it moved on and it did all the research, going over, searching for more context, and then it gathered a lot of images for me. So it asked me which image should I put on the title. So I gave image number 3, and it had a list of images right there. Then again, I just said image 3 and it moved forward. Then for slide 3, it wanted to add some image on the process automation. You can see in slide 3. So it asked me which image should I put in. Again, it showed me a lot of images. I picked one, so it added that image right here. And so on and so forth. After some prompt, I simply asked that don't ask me more, just do it yourself. So when I said that, it planned out the entire thing on its own, or created all the slides, and it was able to give me this final results. There's a title, the title image. It did not add my name, but I can add it manually. And of course, these PPTs are not images. We can add it to Canva or PowerPoint presentation, and you can edit them. You can see that all the PPTs are editable. So of course, Manus is really fantastic for all these jobs. Now, of course, as soon as I had these PPTs, what I did, I clicked on download. I downloaded the presentation, or you can simply download the Google Slides as well. And I uploaded it in the Canva. Now, in the Canva, I have the entire freedom of changing whatever I want. You can see that this bar is, it's getting overlapped. So I can just put it a bit above. I can edit it according to my needs now. And you can see these graphs. This graph is going out of screen, so I can do that. I can reduce the size of the image, and so on and so forth. A lot of things I can play around with, changing the entire theme and everything like that. All this is only possible because of this tool called Manus AI. So make sure that you start using this tool. Now, this entire presentation does the job. So my major task is done. I just have to gather my team and start talking about AI automations now. I hope you also use this tool and it is able to help you out with this entire problem solving situations. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.